We all know the talent that comes out of Edna Manley College. Sanjay heard about a very cool art exhibition and went to check it out.
We're there at the Edna Manley School of Visual Arts final year exhibition, and Intense is getting artsy. Right now we're here with Romario Reed, who's responsible for this wicked sculpture. Tell us a little bit more about this piece.
This piece is about storytelling, because I grew up in country, in Clarendon, where persons are used to telling stories. So then with that background, get me in the mood for like creating things a person can see.
What is the story being told here?
The main story I want to get across is domestic violence. Now, because of social media, persons are drifting away from the face-to-face conversation and more to social media side. So that's the whole conversation I want to have about this piece.
So tell me a little bit more about the inspiration behind these designs. They all seem to have like a similar kind of almost Afrocentric-ish theme.
Well, I was focusing on the Afro and Indo-Caribbean festivals, and I was looking at retention and also symbolism that are associated with both cultures. So I looked at Adinkra symbols and Indian symbols, and then I fused both of them together to create my own motifs.
Oh, yeah, I don't. Is this the piece is so big? Is this it come like a collection, but a one piece?
Alright, it's a 75 feet piece, and it's called Retention of a Colonial Past.
No, hold on. Before we reach that, how long it take you to do a 75 feet piece?
All 8 months for the semester.
Wow.